So it's garden season, and as everybody else knows that has a garden shed, these things get overrun with all the junk that you just toss in there to get out of the way and put out of sight, out of mind. But it becomes much more difficult to find those things when you get in there. So I had to do something about that. I used some leftover materials from our sunroom build and put some shelves in. So it took me about an hour and 15 minutes to get all this thing taken care of over the course of the day, but got it done, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Here we go. You can already see the mess that this thing is. First glance, it's not gonna be that bad. So you see all this. That's a mess. So I need to get all this stuff organized, place for it. This is no shelves other than the loft, and the loft really isn't that organized either. I've got pretty much nothing to do anything on the walls. And I gotta pull all this stuff on the right out so I can get the lawnmower out when I need to use that. So I need to build some shelves. This is some leftover material right here from when they built our sunroom right there. So they left behind a couple pieces here, and they had a sawhorses that they built on site that I kept. And I'm gonna use the wood from those, and if I need it. There's some wood that I tore down from the previous owners had built a thing, so that's under there. Some older stuff. If I need to use it, I'll use that. But, well, hopefully we can get this thing organized and a little bit easier to find what we need. Got all of our gardening stuff in here right now, so it's quite full. Okay, so still probably a little bit of organization I need to do, but from what it started out with to what it is now, I think that's a heck of an improvement. Got these shelves put in here. Should be able to hold up a lot of our garden material. May get a little bit more organized. May do another shelf out this way a little bit, depending on how much more we think we're gonna need. But between everything just stacked down there on the floor and having to move things out of the way just to get one thing out was this is a heck of an improvement. So from here, I think if I can keep it organized, I think we'll be good to go.